today I will give you noun group presentation and I will tell you what is noun and what are its different types. So open the book. Noun. So what is noun? Noun is a naming word, a word that identifies a person, place or things or names one of them proper noun. The simple definition as a person, place or thing. For example, person, man, woman, teacher, John, Mary. Then countryside, America. You can see the picture. There is a teacher and a student. So these are noun examples of a people. Now turn the next page. Common noun. So one of most popular type of noun is common noun. A common noun is the general non-specific term for a person, place, thing, or idea. Usually, common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. For example, passenger, park, grass, juice, water, bottle, etc. So these are all ordinary things. All ordinary things comes in the category of common noun. Come on the next page. Now, the third most important type of noun is proper noun. A proper noun is a specific, unique person, place, thing, or idea. Unlike common nouns, proper nouns are almost always capitalized. This is true whether they begin a sentence or not. For example, Margaret, London, United Nations, Allama Iqbal, Dr. Allama Iqbal, Minare, Pakistan, and Qaid-e-Azam. Next, countable noun. What are countable nouns? Countable nouns are nouns which can be counted even if number might be extraordinarily high. They may be used in singular and plural. For example, dollar, we can count dollars. Table, we can count tables. Students in a class can be counted. Flowers in the garden can be counted. Patients in a hospital can be counted. So all these things are countable now. You can see the picture. There are some students in the classroom. The teacher is taking attendance of the whole class. So the students of the class are countable nouns. Come on the next type. Next most important type of noun is uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns which can be counted, and uncountable noun is the noun that usually cannot be expressed in a plural form. So we cannot give plural form of uncountable nouns. For example, tea, sugar, water, air, rice, knowledge, beauty, anger. So these are uncountable. We cannot count sugar, we cannot count noodles, we cannot count rice, we cannot count ingredients. Okay, next, come on the next page. The next important type of noun is abstract noun, which is sometimes become difficult for the students to understand what are abstract noun. An abstract noun is the noun that names an idea, event, quality, or concept. An abstract noun names something that cannot be physically touched. They are typically non-observable and non-measurable. Non-observable and non-measurable. For example, courage, freedom, progress, love, patience, excellence, friendship, etc. So all these things are feelings. We cannot touch them. They are called abstract noun. Now come on the next very important type of noun, that is concrete noun. So many students can be seen. They are often confused in this type. They cannot understand. Sometimes they mix up material noun and concrete noun. So a concrete noun represents something that can be seen, touched, tasted, heard, and smelt. A concrete noun is something you can perceive with at least one of our senses. For example, ticket taker, someone's voice, rotten eggs, fresh baked cookies, etc. You can see the picture. There are some cookies in the picture. So this is the example of concrete noun. Next, come on the next very important type of noun, which is collective noun. Collective noun, as from the name of that type of noun, it is very clear that it is a word which refers to a collection of things taken as a whole. So, they refers to a collection of things taken as a whole. For example, a band of men, a flight of birds, a circle of friends. So you can see in this picture there is a flight of birds. So when we take anything in group form, it is called collective noun. Come on the next type of noun. That is very popular type of noun is compound noun. As you have often heard the word compound. Compound is the joining of two words. Normally we can call it compound. So compound noun is often used in scientific lab also. Compound noun, what is the definition? Compound noun is two or more words that come together to form a noun. So when we combine two or more words to form a one single word, that is compound noun. They are also formed by something verbs, by combining some verbs, adjectives and prepositions. For example, background, classmate, online, timetable, popcorn. So pop is one word, corn is another word. But when we join these two words together, it is a compound word or compound noun. You can see the picture. Now come on the next page. There is one most important example of type of noun. Now the last type of noun is possessive noun. A possessive noun is not very familiar for the students, but today I will tell you what is the exact definition of possessive noun. A possessive noun is a noun that possesses something. That is, it has something. A possessive noun is formed by adding an apostrophe sign is like this to the noun, or if the noun is plural and already ends in s, only an apostrophe needs to be added. For example, a bird's, horses, shoes, children's. So you know the word children is already in the plural form. When we put a comma then s, it shows possession of children. So possessive noun comes from the word possession. So a possessive noun is a noun that possesses something. So it is very clear from the examples the meaning of possession and the meaning of possessive noun. I hope all these types are very clear to the students and you may differentiate between them. You can write definition one by one and you will understand very well. If you like my video regarding to the types of noun, please like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.